Okay, yeah, let's start. Copyright law. This is activity 7, and I'm Silas Rappold. The table of concepts. So first of all, we will talk about the concept of copyright. After that, protected work according to Article 13. Next up, Article 4 of the copyright law, we will discuss that one, and then related neighboring rights. The rights reservation, and last but not least, fair use. So what is fair use and how can we benefit? Concept of copyright law. What is copyright? So copyright refers to the legal right of the owner of intellectual property. It grants creators the exclusive right to work with that gained knowledge for a given amount of time. So in the pharmacy, in the pharmacy sector, this, for example, could be like 20 years. In other sectors, which are like faster moving, the time could be shorter. The law protects the rights of authors, artists, and scientists. Why is it important? Well, patents are an incentive to promote scientific work and push innovation. For example, the coronavirus, because of patents, the pharma industry had like a great interest in finding a vaccine against it, so they could earn lots of money. Well, therefore, they strengthen economic competitiveness as well as the progress of society. So, on the one hand, yes, those companies earned a lot of money, so they had the economic benefit, but also the society made progress and many lives could be saved. Protected work according to Article 13. So it provides protection so the author enjoys exclusive personal property rights. The copyrights referred to in Article 13 are computer programs, so mobile games, for example, coded by the Mexican developer, compilation work, encyclopedia, written by a Mexican author, painting and drawing, painting by a Mexican artist, architectural, literary, dance, or photographic, and there are many more. Article 4 of the copyright law. It protects all expressions of relativity regardless of the medium used, provided the work reflects originality and can be manifested in some tangible way. Classification of protected work according to Article 4. According to the author, according to communication, according to origin, and according to the creators involved. Examples. For example, a book, a scientific article, or a script for a movie. So all of those are tangible. Related neighboring rights. What are neighboring rights? Rights which are in certain aspects similar to copyrights. They protect the legal interest of certain person, organizations who contribute to create protected work. Examples: a song which is produced by copyrights is protected by copyrights, but is offered to be performed by a singer, or a producer producing a song for an artist. So the producer also put work in, but he's not necessarily protected by the copyright, but he's protected by related neighboring rights. A broadcasting organization broadcasting a football game. So performers, phonograph producers, and broadcasting organizations. Rights reservation. What is the rights reservation? It is the right of the creator to publish, sell and change his work, which is protected by the copyright law. For example, an artist grants the right to cover his song. Reserve for rights for exclusive use. If the right to use something which is protected by the copyright law is granted to only one person or institution. For example, an artist grants the right to use one of his songs for a car commercial, or a painter grants the use of one of his designs for commercial use exclusively to one clothing brand. Fair use. What is fair use? It's the right to use copyright materials without permission for certain socially valuable uses. It is applied for editorial, academic, educational, and commentary context. It promotes freedom of expression, learning, and access to information while still respecting the rights of the creators.